Have you ever witnessed a total solar eclipse? It's a truly awe-inspiring event. Imagine the sun, the life giver of our planet, completely blocked out by the moon. The sky darkens, as if night has fallen, and stars become visible. For a brief moment, the universe puts on a celestial show like no other. A solar eclipse is more than just a visual spectacle. It's a cosmic dance between the sun, the moon, and Earth. The moon, in its orbit, passes directly between the sun and Earth, casting its shadow upon us. When the conditions are just right and the alignment is perfect, we experience a total solar eclipse. Throughout history, solar eclipses have captivated our imaginations, sparked our curiosity, and even instilled fear. Ancient civilizations developed myths and legends to explain these celestial events, often attributing them to supernatural beings or celestial dragons. But there's a deeper story here, one that connects us to the cosmos in ways we are only beginning to understand. Solar eclipses are not unique to Earth. They can occur on other planets and moons throughout the universe, wherever celestial bodies align just so. Imagine standing on the surface of Mars, witnessing Phobos, one of its moons, casting a fleeting shadow across the Martian landscape. Solar eclipses offer us a glimpse into the intricate workings of our solar system and beyond. Picture this: Earth, our home planet, hurtling through space in its yearly orbit around the sun. Now, imagine the moon, our celestial companion, gracefully waltzing around Earth in its monthly orbit. These orbits are not perfectly aligned, which is why we don't experience a solar eclipse every month. The moon's orbit is tilted at about 5 degrees relative to Earth's orbit around the sun. This tilt means that most of the time, the moon passes above or below the sun from our perspective on Earth. But every now and then, something extraordinary happens. These celestial dancers align perfectly, creating a cosmic spectacle we call a solar eclipse. Imagine the sun as a giant flashlight shining in the vastness of space. Now, place a small object, like a tennis ball, in front of it. The tennis ball casts a shadow, blocking the light from reaching the area behind it. A solar eclipse works in much the same way, but on a much grander scale. The moon, our celestial tennis ball, passes between the sun and Earth, casting its shadow upon our planet. This shadow is not uniform, however. It has two distinct parts, the umbra and the penumbra. The umbra is the darkest part of the moon's shadow. If you were standing within the umbra during a solar eclipse, you would experience a total solar eclipse. Not all solar eclipses are created equal. The most awe-inspiring type of solar eclipse is a total solar eclipse. This occurs when the moon completely covers the sun's disk, plunging the surrounding area into darkness. For a few precious minutes, the sky transforms, revealing the sun's ethereal corona, a shimmering halo of plasma that is usually invisible to the naked eye. Then there's the partial solar eclipse, a more common but no less intriguing event. During a partial solar eclipse, the moon only partially covers the sun's disk, creating a celestial crescent. And let's not forget the annular solar eclipse, a celestial spectacle that leaves onlookers mesmerized. Solar eclipses are more than just breathtaking celestial events. They are also valuable opportunities for scientific discovery, offering a unique glimpse into the workings of our sun and the universe beyond. During a total solar eclipse, when the sun's blinding light is blocked, scientists can study the sun's corona in detail. The corona is the outermost layer of the sun's atmosphere, and it is much hotter than the sun's surface. Scientists are still trying to understand why the corona is so hot, and total solar eclipses provide a rare opportunity to study this phenomenon. By observing how the light from distant stars bends around the sun during a total solar eclipse, scientists were able to confirm Einstein's theory of general relativity. solar eclipses have also played a crucial role in our understanding of Earth's atmosphere. Imagine a time before telescopes, before modern science, when the sky was a canvas for myths and legends. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians to the Mayans, gazed upon the heavens with a mixture of awe and trepidation. Solar eclipses, with their sudden darkness and celestial drama, held a particular sway over the human imagination. In ancient China, for instance, solar eclipses were believed to be caused by a celestial dragon devouring the sun. To scare the dragon away, people would bang drums and make loud noises, hoping to restore light to the world. The ancient Greeks, with their burgeoning scientific minds, sought rational explanations for these celestial phenomena. Anaxagoras, a Greek philosopher, was one of the first to propose that solar eclipses were caused by the moon passing in front of the sun. Yet even as scientific understanding grew, solar eclipses retained their aura of mystery. The scientific revolution, which swept through Europe in the 16th and 17th centuries, ushered in a new era of observation, experimentation, and reason. Solar eclipses, once viewed through the lens of superstition, became objects of intense scientific scrutiny. Astronomers, armed with telescopes and mathematical tools, began to study eclipses with unprecedented precision. They mapped the path of the moon's shadow across Earth's surface, calculated the duration of totality, and even predicted future eclipse events with remarkable accuracy. One such astronomer was Edmund Halley, best known for his discovery of Halley's Comet. In 1715, Halley accurately predicted the path of a total solar eclipse across England, urging his fellow countrymen to observe the event and record their findings. Halley's prediction, and the public's enthusiastic response, marked a turning point in the way solar eclipses were perceived. Fast forward to the early 20th century, a time of revolutionary ideas in physics. Albert Einstein, a young physicist with a radical theory, proposed that gravity was not a force acting at a distance, as Newton had believed, but rather a curvature of space-time caused by the presence of mass and energy. Einstein's theory of general relativity made a startling prediction. Gravity could bend the path of light. This prediction, if proven, would upend centuries of scientific thought and revolutionize our understanding of the universe. In 1919, a team of British astronomers led by Sir Arthur Eddington set out to test Einstein's prediction during a total solar eclipse, visible from the island of Príncipe, off the coast of West Africa. They carefully measured the positions of stars near the sun during the eclipse and compared them to their positions when the sun was not in the way. To the world's astonishment, Eddington's results confirmed Einstein's prediction. Solar eclipses offer more than just a platform for testing groundbreaking theories. They also provide a unique opportunity to study the sun itself, particularly its outer atmosphere, the corona. The corona is a region of extremely hot, ionized gas that extends millions of kilometers from the sun's surface. It is usually invisible to the naked eye, masked by the sun's intense brightness. But during a total solar eclipse, when the moon blocks the sun's disk, the corona is revealed in all its ethereal glory. Scientists are fascinated by the corona because it is much hotter than the sun's surface. While the sun's surface has a temperature of about 6,000 degrees Celsius, the corona can reach temperatures of millions of degrees Celsius. Solar eclipses provide scientists with a rare opportunity to study the corona in detail, using instruments that would be overwhelmed by the sun's glare under normal circumstances. Witnessing a total solar eclipse is a truly awe-inspiring experience, one that stays with you long after the last rays of sunlight return. For many, it is a life-changing event, a celestial spectacle that evokes a sense of wonder and connection to the cosmos. But for a select group of scientists, educators, and eclipse enthusiasts, total solar eclipses are more than just a passive spectacle. They are a call to adventure. These eclipse chasers, as they are known, plan their expeditions months, sometimes years in advance. They pack their bags with telescopes, cameras, and other scientific instruments, ready to capture every moment of this celestial ballet. Eclipse chasers often travel to exotic and far-flung destinations, from the deserts of Chile to the frozen plains of Antarctica, to witness these fleeting moments of totality. From the frozen Arctic to the heart of the Amazon, cultures around the world have woven tales to explain the sun's disappearance during a solar eclipse. These stories, passed down through generations, offer a fascinating glimpse into how humanity has grappled with the unknown and sought meaning in the celestial tapestry above. Imagine a world without science, where the sun's sudden vanishing act would have been a terrifying and inexplicable event. It's no wonder that eclipses sparked the imaginations of our ancestors, leading to a rich tapestry of myths and legends. In many cultures, eclipses were seen as disruptions of the natural order, often attributed to supernatural beings or celestial conflicts. The sun's sudden disappearance, even for a short time, was a stark reminder of its power and the fragility of our existence. Let's take a journey through time and across continents to explore some of the captivating myths surrounding solar eclipses. In ancient China, as we've seen, a celestial dragon was believed to devour the sun, its fiery breath momentarily extinguishing the light of day. To ward off this celestial beast, people would bang drums, clash cymbals, and make as much noise as possible, hoping to scare the dragon away and restore the sun to its rightful place. Across the Pacific Ocean, the ancient Maya of Mesoamerica envisioned a giant jaguar, its jaws agape, taking a bite out of the sun's golden disk. In Norse mythology, a giant wolf named Skoll chased the sun across the sky, its jaws eternally snapping at the heels of the solar chariot. These myths remind us that humans have always looked to the heavens for answers, seeking explanations for the unknown and finding meaning in the celestial dance above. Solar eclipses, with their sudden darkness, have often been viewed as ominous signs, portents of change, or warnings from the gods. In many cultures, eclipses foretold impending doom or political upheaval. Imagine the fear that gripped people witnessing these events without scientific understanding. The sun vanishing from the sky must have seemed like a terrifying omen. In ancient Babylon, astrologers recorded eclipses, believing they predicted the fate of kings. A solar eclipse during a crucial battle could sway the course of history. Faced with the terrifying spectacle of a solar eclipse, ancient cultures developed rituals to appease the gods and restore the sun. These rituals, steeped in symbolism, offer a glimpse into the spiritual beliefs of our ancestors. People would gather, chanting prayers, making offerings, and performing dances to appease celestial forces. Some believed demons or evil spirits were trying to steal the sun. To combat these forces, they lit fires, made loud noises, or threw objects into the air. These diverse rituals aim to restore order to the heavens and ensure the sun's return. In the age of science and space exploration, we no longer view solar eclipses with the same fear and superstition as our ancestors. We understand the celestial mechanics that cause these events and can predict their occurrence with remarkable accuracy. Yet, even with our scientific knowledge, solar eclipses inspire awe and wonder. Understanding the science behind these events enhances their beauty and deepens our appreciation for the cosmos. Millions eagerly anticipate solar eclipses, traveling great distances to witness these celestial alignments. Today, the thrill of a total solar eclipse isn't limited to scientists. A new generation of eclipse chasers, armed with high-tech cameras and a thirst for adventure, traverse the globe to stand in the moon's shadow. They are driven by a sense of wonder, a desire to witness firsthand the universe's grandest show. For these modern-day explorers, witnessing totality is often a life-altering experience. The world around them transforms. The sky darkens to a deep indigo. Stars emerge, and the air cools. Animals react as if night has fallen, and a hush falls over the landscape. But it's not just about the spectacle. Many eclipse chasers contribute to scientific research by capturing data and images that would be impossible to obtain otherwise. Citizen scientists play a vital role in documenting the eclipse's effects on Earth's atmosphere, animal behavior, and even human physiology. The internet and social media have transformed eclipse chasing into a global phenomenon, allowing people to share their experiences and images with millions worldwide. This interconnectedness fosters a sense of global community, united by our shared fascination with the cosmos. Imagine witnessing a solar eclipse from space, a vantage point unattainable just a few decades ago. Thanks to advancements in space exploration, we no longer have to imagine. Satellites and spacecraft orbiting Earth capture breathtaking images of the moon's shadow gliding across our planet's surface. These images provide more than just a stunning visual. They offer scientists valuable data about Earth's atmosphere, cloud patterns, and even the behavior of ocean currents during a solar eclipse. It's like seeing our planet breathe, its delicate systems responding to this celestial dance. Even more remarkable are the images captured by spacecraft orbiting other planets. Imagine the desolate beauty of a Martian solar eclipse, with Phobos, one of Mars's moons, casting a fleeting shadow across the red planet's surface. These otherworldly eclipses offer insights into the atmospheres and environments of distant worlds. As we venture further into our solar system and beyond, our perspective on eclipses will continue to evolve, revealing new secrets and deepening our understanding of the universe we inhabit. In our increasingly electrified world, solar eclipses have taken on a new significance. As we harness the sun's energy to power our homes and industries, we've become acutely aware of the sun's constant presence in our lives and the potential disruption a solar eclipse can bring. During a total solar eclipse, the sudden drop in sunlight can affect solar power grids, reducing energy output as the moon's shadow sweeps across solar panels. While this presents challenges for grid operators, it also offers opportunities for innovation and preparedness. Engineers and scientists are developing advanced forecasting systems and grid management techniques to mitigate the impact of eclipses on solar energy production. These innovations not only ensure grid stability during these celestial events, but also contribute to the development of more resilient and sustainable energy systems overall. Solar eclipses serve as a reminder of our interconnectedness with the cosmos and the importance of understanding the celestial forces that shape our planet and our lives. Despite centuries of observation, solar eclipses still hold many mysteries. The sun's corona remains an enigma, its extreme heat defying explanation. Scientists are eager to learn more about the corona's dynamic behavior and its impact on Earth. Future expeditions will deploy sophisticated instruments to probe the sun's corona. New telescopes will capture high-resolution images, revealing the corona's structure. The scientific value of eclipses extends beyond our star. Astronomers use eclipses to search for exoplanets, planets orbiting other stars. By observing the dimming of starlight as a planet transits its star, scientists can detect distant worlds. Solar eclipses will play a vital role in shaping our understanding of the universe. These celestial events now inspire scientific inquiry and a sense of wonder that unites us all. From the myths of ancient civilizations to the cutting edge of astrophysics, the story of solar eclipses is a testament to humanity's enduring fascination with the cosmos. For millennia, these celestial events have inspired awe, fear, and wonder. We've journeyed from seeing eclipses as harbingers of doom to eagerly anticipated opportunities for discovery. It's humbling to realize that the same celestial dance that captivated our ancestors continues today. The same laws of physics govern the movements of the sun, moon, and Earth, connecting us to the vast expanse of time and space. But perhaps the most enduring legacy of solar eclipses lies in the sense of wonder they continue to inspire. Standing in the moon's shadow, Witnessing the sun's corona blaze against the darkened sky is an experience that transcends cultural boundaries and scientific understanding. It's a visceral reminder of our place in the universe, a humbling and awe-inspiring spectacle that connects us to the vastness of space and time. As we look to the future, one thing is certain: the sun, moon, and earth will continue their celestial dance, casting their fleeting shadows upon our planet for billions of years to come. Each eclipse is a grand invitation from the universe to pause, look up, and marvel at the intricate beauty of the cosmos. It's an invitation to explore the mysteries that still linger, to push the boundaries of our knowledge, and to foster a sense of global community united by our shared fascination with the universe. So, the next time you find yourself in the path of a solar eclipse, take a moment to appreciate the celestial ballet unfolding above you. Embrace the darkness, marvel at the light, and let the universe ignite your sense of wonder.